Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day. Welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gwenny and I love luxury in, you know it, all of its glorious forms. And today I'm going to go through with you my 2021 luxury wish list. Before we get stuck into the wish list, I would just like to say thank you for coming back if you've been here before, and welcome if you are new to my channel. If you are new to my channel, or even if you're not new to my channel and you haven't already done so, then please do consider subscribing, hitting that bell, being notified when I upload new videos every Monday and Thursday. Don't forget to give the videos you like the thumbs up love. It really helps algorithmy witchcraft in YouTube, and oh yeah, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So it's 2021. I need to pull together a wish list. Last year, 2020, I had a wish list and I kind of revised it after a few months, and I think that's what most people do. You think, this is what I want at the beginning of the year, and as time goes on, it kind of changes depending on circumstances, and obviously circumstances is a big word. It's the big C word for 2020. And 2021, obviously we're starting the year, not that much is different. We have got hope on the horizon in the department, so hopefully that's going to free up a little bit of movement and what have you as the year goes on, so I'm hopeful for that. And I guess that's had some sort of impact on my actual luxury wish list for the year, because I've been looking at things. Honestly, I've been looking at things and thinking, oh, I like that, I want one of those, I like that, I want one of those. Marie and Yota, thank you very much, now want a Fendi poncho. I was looking at some Fendi slip-on mules and looking at the baguette. I did buy a baguette in 2006, sold it to my stepmom. I wonder if she's still got it. But it didn't have the detachable handles and stuff, but I might see if she's still got it and have a look and see if that might itch a particular Fendi, or scratch a particular Fendi itch for me. So I've been seeing things that I think, oh, I like that, I want one of those. And when I was putting together my wish list, it was just getting longer and longer and longer. And I basically had 2 or 3 items from every designer I could think of. And I thought, that's just ridiculous. None of it is achievable. So let's try and pull together a 2021 luxury wish list that might actually be achievable. The number 1 item on it is going to be the Chanel 19. And that is not achievable, but it is the most... If there was any opportunity for it, that would be the top of the achieving the unachievable, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So I've been thinking, what are the things that I know I want? I know I want a top handle handbag. I know I want a pair of big, don't look at me, I'm famous under here, sunnies. I've finally embraced the fact that I'm a sneaker girl, so not looking at the posh shoesies and stuff, but sneakers, maybe boots, combat boots. And fine jewellery, which is my go-to, and there is one particular item that has been on my wish list for many, many years now, and until I get it, it'll stay on my wish list. So for the sunnies, I tried on a few pairs last year of Gucci's, Chanel's, and they were all kind of the big oversized, very dark, you know, exactly what I was kind of the vibe I was going for, but maybe not necessarily the shape I was going for. And I always thought I'd probably end up going for some big oversized cat's eyes, but then I saw them. Oh yes, I saw them. I saw them on Jess of She's the Posh, and they are these stunning Valentino oversized butterfly sunnies, and oh my god, as soon as I saw them I thought, and especially because I saw them on her, when you look at them online you don't generally see them on faces, you just see product pictures of the thing, and when I saw them on Jess I thought, oh yes, that's what I'm looking for. Nice little gold kind of nose bit there, breaks up the tube with the, oh yes, please. I have found them at my local department store. They are on a price match, but have I got the money at the moment to take advantage of that price match? Not right now, but hopefully soon. And I think those sunnies will have a huge impact on my wardrobe, because there's something that I can wear with everything. When you're picking out handbags and stuff like that, you can only really use one at a time unless you go for a tote and a tiny bag combo, which I have done before and I do rather enjoy. But in terms of, I've got all of these bags, I can really only carry one at a time, and they have to be suited to whatever outfit I am wearing at the time. But seriously, the sunnies, they could go with everything. Also, you know, I'm into my stationery, and I just got my Louis Vuitton desk agenda for my birthday. I do still want the GM or large ring agenda as well. I do like to have books with all my notes, and they're always in there, but I also like pages that I can take out and throw away as well, and as and when things are done, lists are completed and what have you. So the GM agenda from Louis Vuitton is still on my luxury wish list. I think I'm going to have to go pre-loved for that though. The fine jewellery that has been on my luxury wish list for a long time comes from a brand called Pravins, who made this necklace and my little star bracelet. It's an eternity ring, and it's got baguette and brilliant cut diamonds in it. So you've got baguette, brilliant, baguette, brilliant, baguette, brilliant, and it just looked really unusual. It goes really nicely with my engagement ring, which I'm not wearing at the moment, and I think it just looks fantastic. And if I wasn't going to wear it with the stack with my engagement ring, I could wear it on its own on the other hand, and it will absolutely hold its own. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful ring. Pravins do another kind of skinny eternity ring, which is just a thin row of claw-set diamonds, and I tried that on a couple of years ago as well. Really, really liked that too, but liked that more. Now this does sound very bougie, I know, but I liked it more as one on either side of my wedding band. So it just looked like one big ring with a row of diamonds on each side. Absolutely glorious. But the main one is getting that baguette and brilliant cut. Sneakers, I can't help myself. I do like a bit of bling, and I'm loving, and have been loving for a couple of years, the Gucci Ace with crystals. Now these are kind of platformy, and they're not quite twice the price of the normal aces, but they're pushing twice the price of the normal aces, and they are a very standout piece. You know, there's no fading into the background when you're wearing those. And one of the reasons I like these ones in particular is because they've got red and blue colour combination instead of the red and green. Now, I don't particularly like the red and green colour combination, but the red and blue looks amazing. So yeah, they're very much on my list. Is it going to happen? It's probably quite low on the list. Something that I've considered in the past, but I've never found the right piece, is a scarf ring. Now, you know I love my big silk scarves, and I've got my little Louis bandeau as well. And I have wondered a lot in the past about getting a scarf ring, but a lot of them look a little bit like Brownies or Girl Guide's toggle thing. Really, really long, deep bit where the scarf goes through, and it's like, bam, I'm there, I'm a scarf ring, you cannot miss me. So I've kind of been put off by that. I just wanted something a little bit smaller, a little bit thinner. Well, hello and welcome and thank you to the wonderful Maria L. Supper, who showcased her Hermes scarf ring. That's right up my what's-its, that. It looks like the perfect piece. It is small, it's decorative, but it's not in your face. It comes in silver hardware, it comes in silver and gold finish. I think I'd be going for the silver just because it matches my aesthetic, maybe matches my scarves a bit better. And I think silver hardware on bags and things like that just give them a little bit of a funkier edge. I think the gold finish is really quite classic and very classy. Words that I wouldn't usually attribute to my good self. But the silver one looks really fantastic, and a surprisingly good price for Hermes as well when I compared it to the Louis Vuitton and other brands. Belt, I still haven't got my hands on my belt. It is the same belt. It is the men's double G facing each other from Gucci. Is this year going to be the year that I get it? We shall see. Do they still go sizes large enough for post-lockdown tummies? We shall see. I have been enjoying having my scented candles in my room of dreams. So this could be the year that I finally push the boat out and purchase a diptyque. And I did say in my birthday and Christmas wish list I really like the sound of that coriander one. Although I am going to be asking a few people who do use diptyque already what they recommend as their favourite scent. A good starter scent, if you like. Because, I mean, I like coriander, but could it be too much? Could it be a bit too overpowering? Potentially. So I said I want a top handle bag. Up until this year, I hadn't really considered the Louis Vuitton Capucines, but after seeing Princess Lux Love's Capucine with the, oh my god, with the Perspex handle, love it, absolutely love it. I've been looking at the other styles and designs, don't really like them so much. I do like the other one that Princess Lux Love has in the sort of purpley pink. I think that looks very cool as well with the Pretendi Malachite LV on the front. But a lot of the designs, the LV, the whole of the LV isn't made of the same material. It's got like the L, but the back bit of the L or the V is in a different colour or something, and I don't understand it, and that puts me off it. So I think for the Capucine, it's a case of finding the right colour combination. It is a very, very pricey bag as well, so it would have to be just right. I couldn't pick one that, I couldn't go for one that I just liked. It would have to be the bam, it would have to be the bam. It would have to be that kind of heavens opening and the sun coming down, shining on it as I see it for the very first time. The other alternative for a top handle is to go for the Saint Laurent College bag, and I do like that in the kind of the medium size, and that's a really good all-rounder actually, because you've got the removable crossbody strap, you've got the top handle, you've got the slip at the back, just as a good all-rounded day bag, and probably not as dressy as the Capucine, but. And a tote, I still lusting after the Saint Laurent Rive Gauche tote. Definitely going to have to look at that pre-loved, because 950 quid thereabouts, it's probably pushing it for a big canvas tote. Well, cotton, linen, not even canvas, but oh my god, I still love it, and I still see that as a really good grab and go, chuck a few things when we are able to go and visit friends for the weekend again. Yeah, do it, grab and go, off we go. And because I'm still into me tiny handbags, I'm looking at the Gucci Dionysus Super Mini in black, or for something a little bit different, and again to push me outside of my comfort zone a tiny bit, the new sort of cognac colour, which looks more caramel than cognac to me, so I think that'll go quite nicely with a few bits and pieces. But yeah, I really quite fancy the Dionysus Super Mini. So that's it. I tried to go for things that would have the biggest impact on my collection, things that's slightly different from what I already have, things that would just add something that's just that little bit of extra. Tell me what you think of my wish list. Let me know what's on your luxury wish list for this year, and if you have enjoyed this video and my wish list, then please do, you know the drill, hit the subscribe button, ring my bell. Until I see you for the next video, stay home, stay safe, be kind to yourselves and be kind to others, stay fan-dabby-dozy, and bye-bye!